Zion I see. Get ready, 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 ready to rock. We are the rockers from Zion every coast.
Instead they're looking up towards the heavens with their eyes on the heavens.
This flight is being recorded. It's going to be available in the office.
Our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photos.
So is this anybody's? That's Mana Vai Opuna. Translates to strong raging water. We just call it Jurassic Falls today though. Although we've been getting a lot of rain, all these waterfalls back here actually flow like this. I bet you guys want to shoot them too already, huh?
Hold on for dear life.
Yeah, it's a lot bumpier. The catamarans are way more stable. Here on the right side, you see the hole that runs under the mountain going from one beach to the other. You can walk right through this hole here. If you guys go watch the Pirates of the Caribbean out in theaters, you'll see a scene with...
Have you seen these islands? It's people, brothers, sisters walking hand in hand.
The hippies, yeah, they even grow their own crops back here, if you guys know what I mean. It's practically legal for you guys there in California.
Ancient gods, they're mine. Waterfalls so high, mountains make you cry. You will love forever.
Depending on the tides though, you don't want to go... They average about one shark attack every 3 weeks. I'm just kidding. That was the last one we had. 60 inches of rain per year back in 2006, 610 inches of rain. 1981, 700, no? 7, pretty close. It's 132. I tricked you guys. There's 8 major Hawaiian islands. That's the number you were trying to get. The total is 100 myself. Thank you guys very much for flying with us. Hope you guys enjoyed your tour. If you guys have an opportunity to speak to anyone about your experience,
Aloha, aloha, aloha.
On my own, on begins sense of freedom over the sea. But I watch my home get further from me. Sometimes I reach to meet the clouds, but I always keep...
Open the doors, just release the seatbelt by twisting. If you guys want pictures, just wait on the black tarmac there. They'll grab your cameras from you. Don't forget your headsets before you exit. Aloha.
So much to see, sometimes they long for